Honda G25A1 Acura Vigor. This one is probably not what you expected. The third generation Acura Vigor in Japan, the Honda Vigor's first generation debuted in 1981, followed by the second and third iterations in 1985 and 1989 respectively. The last version, in contrast to the first two, was exclusively offered with inline-five engines. A 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter was sold in the USA under the Acura name from 1991 to 1994 with 190 PS, 140 kilowatts and 237 Nm 175 lb-ft of torque. The 2.5-liter G25A1 Honda engine from the G series family is not the most potent one to its list. In retrospect, though, it was clear that this was a medium-sized luxury barge with a 5-speed manual transmission and a lavish 5-cylinder sound system that sounds completely nice as a no-stress wants mobile today. Even if you are not a fanatical fan of Honda, you probably know something about their lineup of engines. More certainly, you are familiar with the Storied B-series 4-cylinder engines from the Civic and Integra, as well as the K-series, which served as its replacement, and the 5 series from the S2000 and other vehicles. But unless you were a die-hard fan of Honda, worked at a Honda repair shop, or had a very specific Acura in the 90s, you might not be aware of the G series. This was their line of 5-cylinder, not particularly well-known engines.